Jamaica. It has beaches. It has mountains. It's lively. It's laid back. It roars. It tickles. It's sweet. It's spicy. It's hot. It's luxurious. It's adventurous. It's aged. It's brand new. It's mysterious. It's obvious. It's daring. It's relaxing. It's world famous. But it's down to earth too. That's Jamaica. It's a vibe. It's a vacation. Come and see for yourself.